Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to add clickable hyperlinks in Jira, the simple skill that can make your project boards way more interactive and organized. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to make words or phrases on your Jira board link out to anything you need, documentation, websites, or other Jira issues. It's quick, handy, and once you get the hang of it, you'll use it all the time. So let's jump right in and walk through each step together. First things first, you'll want to navigate to your Jira board. This is the space where all your tasks or user stories are listed. If your organization has several boards, just make sure you're in the right one for your project. It might be called a Scrum board, a Kanban board, or simply named after your team. Once you're inside your chosen board, look for the item or card where you want to add that clickable link. You can do this in either the board view or the list view, depending on your layout preference. As a real-world tip, hyperlinks are super useful for giving quick access to important resources like a design mockup, a policy page, or even linking to another Jira issue that's closely related. So keep in mind which context will make the most sense for your teammates. Click on the item to open it up. Inside the description area or in the comments, you'll have a space where you can type. Now, type out the word or phrase you want to turn into your hyperlink. For example, maybe you write, "See the wireframe here," or "related bug ticket." It's better to use clear, descriptive text. Think of it like giving your teammates a signpost. Click here is fine, but download onboarding checklist is even better. Once you've typed your word or phrase, you'll want to highlight it. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse across the text. Don't worry if you don't grab it perfectly the first time. Just try again until the exact phrase is highlighted in blue. This step is important because Jira needs to know which part of your writing will become the clickable link. With your text highlighted, look for the link icon in the toolbar above your text area. It usually looks like a little chain or link. Give it a click. It may take a second for the link window to pop up, especially if your internet connection is running a bit slow. Here, Jira will prompt you to paste in the URL or the link you want to use. Copy your direct link, making sure it's accurate, whether it's a web page, a Google Doc, or another Jira ticket. Then paste it right in. After you've pasted your link, double-check that everything looks correct. Some people add links in a rush and end up with a broken or incomplete URL, so take an extra moment. It's worth it for your future self and your team. Once you're satisfied, click Insert or Apply, whichever button is there to confirm. That's it. Now your text will appear blue and underlined, or otherwise styled to show it's clickable. If you click it, you'll be whisked away to your link, just like magic. This small feature really bumps up your Jira game, helping everyone jump straight to the info they need instead of hunting through endless pages. If you ever need to edit or remove your link, just click the linked text again and use the toolbar to make changes. Don't worry if it takes a few tries to get comfortable. After a couple of boards, this will be second nature. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial useful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if there are other Jira tricks you want to learn. And don't forget to subscribe if you're hungry for more easy how-tos. See you in the next video.